is it correct it's unethical to disclose this? He should not have and left it to the Supreme Court to, take a look at this case of disbarment against
Yes.
you.
So for me, after tonight, no, I will just leave it to the process. I will just respond, file my answer or compliance when I get, kasi I haven't received the actual complaint, no, only media reports. But I urge journalists to research on the matter because there are many other lawyers who publicize disbarment cases. Tapos, na-reverse, meaning nabaliktad sila. Yung nag-publicize ng pag-file ng disbarment, ang na-reprimand or napagalitan ng Supreme Court because 130 Rule 139B of the Rules of Court strictly say confidential ang disbarment proceedings, even the filing. You don't publicize it. The only exception is the final order of the Supreme Court on the matter. Kunwari nagdesisyon na yung Supreme Court to disbar, suspend, reprimand, or warn the lawyer involved in the disbarment case. So madami ng lawyers, hindi ko napapangalanan, na nabaliktad. Meaning, sila yung nag-publicize, nag-file sila, nag-complain sila, tapos minidya nila, nilik pa. By the way, yung address ko, nilik din ng staff ni Senator Cheese or ni Senator Cheese mismo when he gave copies of the complaint because he did not redact my address. And then for a while before I messaged certain media outlets, my address was on social media. Eh syempre ako, madaming mga bashers, I don't know if yung iba dyan will act on their death threats because I have death threats from many different camps, no, hindi lang naman from one's sector. So putting my address out there is very irresponsible on the part of Senator Cheese.